brake and let me replace it.
Honestly, what it sounds like to me is the radiator hissing off.
No, we're definitely low on power there. That's not, we should buck more than that. Don't get it. I don't get it. Something's changed between yesterday afternoon and last night.
Is there maybe a slight leak between one of the coolant passages in the engine?
I don't know. Sounds like it's not advancing the timing, or feels like it's not advancing the timing out. Don't know. Mentions of it potentially being the water pump. Apparently they'll squeal a little bit. I'm going to pull the belts off and try and rotate some. But I mean, given it's not at any low RPM, or low RPMs, I don't think I'll be able to replicate it just sitting here. There's no weird smells that it didn't have previously.
Which indicates that it's not some sort of leak of fluid.
Well, it's not anything where it's off in terms of what it's burning.